In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the user agent in Google Chrome. This can be pretty handy if you need to run specific tests, or perhaps see how a website appears on different devices without the need for the actual devices. Let's dive right in and show you exactly how to get this done. First off, you'll need to open the developer tools in Chrome. You can do this with a quick keyboard shortcut. For Windows users, you can press Ctrl, Shift, and I together, or simply hit the F12 key. If you're on a Mac, you'll want to press Command, Option, and I simultaneously. Once you do that, the Developer Tools panel will pop up on the side or at the bottom of your browser window. This is a powerful tool filled with features for debugging and inspecting your web pages. Now, inside this Developer Tools panel, you'll notice a three-dot menu. Go ahead and click on that. It's usually located at the top right corner of the panel. Clicking on this menu will reveal several options. From this drop-down, you'll want to navigate to More Tools, and there you'll find an option labeled Network Conditions. This is exactly where we need to be, as it allows us to alter the network properties, including our user agent. Once you have accessed the Network Conditions section, you'll see an area labeled User Agent. By default, Chrome is set to use your browser's default user agent, which essentially tells websites what browser and operating system you're using. You'll see a checkbox that says Use Browser Default. Go ahead and uncheck this box. Unchecking it allows us to manually select a user agent from a predefined list that resembles other browsers. Here comes the fun part: choosing a different user agent. Chrome provides a handy list of alternatives you can choose from, such as Chrome on Android or Safari on iPhone. Each option simulates a different browsing environment. So, for example, if you want to see how your web page would look on an Apple device, you can select Safari on iPhone. This is particularly useful for developers who need to test responsiveness and design across various platforms. Once you've chosen your desired user agent, the final step is to reload the page you're testing. You can simply hit the refresh button on your browser, or use Ctrl and R on Windows or Command and R on a Mac. With the page reloaded, Chrome now temporarily uses the user agent you selected. Remember, this change is only temporary and will revert back to the default once you close the developer tools or refresh the page again. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can easily change the user agent in Google Chrome, enabling you to test and view web content just as it would appear on other devices or browsers. Play around with different user agents and see the versatility this little trick adds to your browsing experience. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.